Hello everybody, happy Monday. So today we're going to be talking about simplifying algebraic expressions. So when we're talking about that, one of the main things we're going to be talking about a lot is this thing called like terms. So like terms are terms that have the same variable and the same exponent. So for example, 8x and negative 3x would be like terms. 9 and 2 would be like terms. 2m and negative 6m would be like terms. 3x squared and 9x squared would be like terms. Okay, so today we're not going to have any exponents on the ones today. We'll focus more on that tomorrow. So whenever we have subtraction in these problems, we're always going to want to keep change. That's just going to help us identify which numbers are negative and which numbers are positive. So if I'm looking at number 1, I have negative 3x plus 2 plus 2 minus 2x minus 9. All right, so I'm going to rewrite this. I have negative 3x plus 2. All right, I'm going to keep change here. So then I'm going to have a plus a negative 2x. All right, now you have a subtraction again. So then I'm going to keep change. So the 2x stays the same plus a negative 9. And if it's easier for you, I know I've seen a lot of people just go through and they just do plus negative. If that works better for you, you can do it that way too. All right, so I have negative 3x plus 2 plus negative 2x plus negative 9. So let's rewrite it so that way all of our like terms are by each other. So I'm going to have negative 3x. Right, do I have any other x's? Yes, I do. I have one right here. So I'm going to have plus negative 3x, negative 3x plus negative 2x. Do I have any other x's? No. Okay. So then I'm going to have plus 2 plus negative 9. If you want to go through, you can just make sure you have everything. You have the negative 3x, you have the negative 2x, you have the 2, and you have the negative 9. All right. So now I'm going to combine the like terms. So negative 3x plus negative 2x, those are the same signs. So I know I'm going to add. So 3 plus 2 is going to give me 5, and I know it's going to be negative. And I bring that x down. Plus 2 plus negative 9, those are different signs, so I'm going to subtract 9 minus 2 is 7, and then I just keep the sign of the bigger number, which is 9, so it's going to be a negative 7. So your answer could either be this, or if you took out that, if you're doing like a multiple choice something, it also might look like negative 5x minus 7. Either answer is correct. It's just like undoing the keep change to get to there. Either one's correct. All right. So looking at this one, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go through and I'm going to keep change. So I have negative 9m plus 2x. All right, I have to keep change. So then I have plus, and that will be positive now, 3 plus 3x. Oh, another subtraction, keep change, plus a negative 9. Again, the other way you can do it is you can just go through and change the subtraction and then change the sign of the next number. Change the subtraction, change the sign of the next number. All right, so now I'm going to reorganize it so that way all of my like terms are by each other. So I'm going to have negative 9m. Then I'm going to look through, do I have any other m's? No, okay. Plus 2x, do I have any other x's? All right, I have one right there, so plus 3x. Do I have any other x's? No, okay. So then I'm going to go plus 3, and then do I have any other constants? I have one right there, so I'm going to have plus negative 9. Now I'm just going to go through and make sure that I got all of the numbers. So I have negative 9m, I have 2x, I have 3x, I have 3, and I have negative 9. Okay, well I got them all. All right, so now I'm going to add. So negative 9m, there's no other like terms of negative 9m, so that one just stays negative 9m. Plus 2x plus 3x, they're both positive, so I'm going to add them. So 2 plus 3 is 5. And I keep the x, sign's going to stay positive. Plus 3 plus negative 9, those are different signs, so I'm going to subtract 9 minus 3 is 6, and my sign's going to be negative. So your answer might look like this. Again, you can undo the keep, change, change, and your answer might also look like negative 9m plus 5x minus 6. Either one works. All right, last I want you to try, and then you can unpause the video and we'll try it together. All right, so first thing we do is we keep, change, change. So I'm going to keep, change, change right away here. So I'm going to have 4 plus a negative 2y plus 6. Oh, keep, change, change again. Plus a negative 3x plus a 9y. And again, you can go through and you can just do plus a negative if you want to. All right, so now I'm going to rearrange it. So I have 4. All right, do I have any other constants? Oh, I do right there. I have a 6. Okay, now I'm going to go to my next one. I have no other constants, so then I'm going to have plus a negative 2y plus, oh, I have a 9y plus a negative 3x. I'm going to go through and make sure I got them all. So I have 4, I have 6, I have a negative 2y, a negative 3x, I have a negative 9y. I don't know why I did that out of order. All right, so now I'm going to combine my like terms. So 4 plus 6, everybody should know it's 10, plus negative 2y plus 9y, so those are different signs. So I'm going to subtract 9 minus 2 is 7. It's going to be positive, so I have 7y. Plus, there's nothing else to combine with our negative 3x, so it's going to be negative 3x. So again, if I undo that keep, change, change there, I'll have 10 plus 7y minus 3x. Either one works. Have a great day.